I know say I been tell you something. Say when man give woman money to cook, who the first chop am? Na woman. Madam, put your hand here. Na man dey eat last. Na make man dey machete, woman dey fat. Oga, put your hand on top. All right. In no less than 9 months, pass this man and this woman who fat pass. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want to cut this cake to the glory of God. And I know love is here. God is already here. What you need is blessings from the Lord. That will be warming your home, calling you daddy and mommy. Oh yeah, let's go. The number of children you want God to use to bless you. Thank you. Sorry.
With your cap.
Let's see the number of children you desire for God to bless you with. You use it to cut this cake, and I'm starting. I'm not greedy. God is not greedy. 12 to 1. Make your choice. No accidental discharge. No child wey go come wey you go name am. Aduche. That is accidental child. So discuss now. No accidental child. Discuss 12 for now. No breeze. I am counting from 12 to 1. Anyone? No breeze publicly. No breeze.
I answer true.
Talking time. You are talking time.
I am very busy now. Oh yeah, let's go. I'm counting from 12 to 1. Ladies and gentlemen, join your voice to my voice. I said 12.
12.
They don't hear you. 12.
12.
11.
11.
They listen after you said that mistake. 10.
10.
What are the shout? Wait. Make they don't hold us for hand to say they don't hear them. 10. 9.
9.
Say 8.
8.
Say 7.
7.
Oh boy, now the situation. That's even the warrior now. Don't worry, I'll get them man a person name. Ladies and gentlemen, 6.
6.
Say 5.
5.